Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Smarter Things. Today I'll show you how to protect your family from harmful or adult content online, completely free using something called a DNS filter. It works on every device connected to your Wi-Fi, computers, phones, tablets, and you don't need to install any software. Let's make the internet a safer place for everyone. So first, what is exactly a DNS filter? Think of a DNS as the phone book of your internet. When you visit a website, your computer asks a DNS server where to find it. A DNS filter checks that request and blocks any site that contain adult, violent, or malicious content before they ever load. It's fast, invisible, and it works automatically. Using the website testfiltering.com, I can see right now I'm not protected yet. Now, among these options, I personally recommend CleanBrowsing Family Filter. It's the most effective and reliable in my tests. It blocks adult content, enforces SafeSearch on Google, Bing, and YouTube, and it's really easy to set up. But don't worry, I'll also include the other DNS options like OpenDNS FamilyShield and Cloudflare Family DNS in the video description, in case you prefer to try them out. On Windows, the easiest way to access your network settings, as long as you have administrator rights, is to press Windows R, type ncpa.cpl, and hit Enter. Then, right-click your active connection and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties again. Check Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following addresses for CleanBrowsing Family Filter. I just have to copy and paste. Click OK and close everything. You can do the same on your Ethernet connection in case you're connecting your computer to the wire. To immediately test your new DNS settings, it's a good idea to run the command ipconfig/flushdns. This clears the old cached DNS entries so that your system uses the new one. That's it. Your family DNS protection is now active. To check if it's working, go to testfiltering.com. If your filter is active, it should show a message saying the content is blocked. You can also try a Google search. SafeSearch should be automatically turned on. Want to protect every device at home, including phones and TVs? You can set the same DNS addresses directly in your Wi-Fi router. That way, the filter applies to everyone on your networks, even guests. The step depends on your router brand, but look for DNS settings or internet settings in your admin page. And that's it. You've just made your internet safer for your whole family. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a thumb up and subscribe for more easy tech tips and security guides. Stay safe online and see you in the next video. Bye bye.